It starts with a faint clicking, barely noticeable, maybe when you're making a tight turn in your F-150. Next week, it becomes this rhythmic thunk, a little louder, a little more annoying. Suddenly you're replaying every pothole you ever hit in your head. Here's the fun part. Lots of F-150 owners ignore that front axle noise until it turns into what I call a metal maraca symphony. Small sounds compound. Left unchecked, you can go from "that's odd" to "my wheel might fall off" in 6 months flat. A lot of the time, it's not actually the axle itself. It's the CV joint or the bearings, little pieces, but when they fail, it's like listening to a bag of bolts in a washing machine. Fixing early saves hundreds, sometimes over $1,000. I get it, nobody wakes up excited to crawl around under their truck. But here's the thing, if you catch axle issues early, you're looking at a $60 bearing instead of a $600 front differential overhaul. That's not just good maintenance, that's money you get to keep. To actually diagnose the sound, you want to listen for it while turning. If it gets louder on sharper left or right turns, suspect the CV joints. Straight-line noises that get worse with road speed are usually bearings. Vibration? That's rarely good news. Pro tip, raise the F-150, spin the wheels by hand. If you hear grinding or feel roughness, that tells you something. Bearings or CV joints are unhappy. A cheap mechanic's stethoscope can help here, and you'll feel like a Sherlock Holmes of Fords. Sometimes it's just a simple lack of grease. Old trucks develop leaks at the axle boots. One tiny crack, you lose lubrication, and metal starts eating metal at every rotation. Inspect your CV boots for tears. Often, that $15 boot saves you a $300 axle. Be ready for the surprise culprit. Sometimes the brake dust shield or backing plate scrapes against the rotor, especially after rough off-roading or hitting debris on Portland back roads. It sounds like axle trouble, but is literally a 2-minute fix with a screwdriver. Step by step. First, chock the rear wheels, then jack up the front and support with jack stands. Remove the wheels and spin the hub. Check for play by gripping at 12 and 6 o'clock and wiggling. Movement means bad bearings. Tight, keep going. Next, visually inspect the CV boots. Any grease on the inside of the wheel, on the suspension parts, or cracks in the boot itself tell you everything. Run your finger along the axle. Sticky or gritty means the joint is wearing out. If everything looks dry and tight and the noise only happens when four-wheel drive is engaged, it's worth checking the front differential fluid. Low fluid means more heat, more noise, faster wear. Pro tip, changing the fluid every 30,000 miles doubles your diff's life. Here's my final tip. Don't wait until you hear axle noise to upgrade. Better quality aftermarket bearings and synthetic grease have given me an extra 40,000 miles of silent running on my F-150. Pain today saves you pain and cash tomorrow.